How to download osuskins. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the 6 steps on how you can download osuskins. So now to start, the first thing that you'll need to do is simply open any web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. And once you have opened any web browser of your choice, you can simply type in osuskins download. Now once you will do this, you can see this first website, that is osuskins.net. This is the official website, so you can simply click here and then choose any particular skin that you would like. So from here you can see that it will ask you to view a short ad or ask for donation. If you don't want, you can do this. But in order to take action, you might need to view a short ad. So you can click onto
और
this
मैं
and
भी एपी के
you can
एस
see
कंपनी
that
से
this particular ad is playing. So let us wait for it to finish up. Okay, so now once you have finished playing your ad, you can choose any of the skins that you like. So for example, I'd go with the Oduja. And here you can see the file size and the downloads as well. Click onto this download this skin button, and here you can see that the package is being verified by Cloudflare for security. And once that is done, you will see a countdown timer that said it will start in 5 seconds. Now just wait for the 5 seconds and you can see that your download has started. So it might take a little while. You can click here as well, and from here you can click onto this install button as well. Now here you can see that this has been installed. You can simply cross it, and just wait for the download process to start. Or if you are having any trouble, you can click onto this click here as well, and you can see that the download has started. And once that is done, you can see this option like open. So just wait for it and you can click onto this open button onto this downloaded file. And here you can see this is the new skin, and from here you can go to the skins, and within the skin you can type to search as well, or you can also export the current skin. You can also change it from here like this, and from here you also have other skins options as well. To edit any skin you can do this, and that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.